Want to rewatch a TikTok video but can't find it? No worries. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily access your TikTok watch history so you can find videos you've recently watched. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy from the options. Scroll down and tap Activity Center, then select Watch History. Here, you'll see a list of all the videos you've recently watched on TikTok. If you're looking for a video from a specific date, tap Filter by Date at the top. You can choose to view your watch history from yesterday, last week, last month, or set a custom date range to narrow it down. Simply scroll through the list, find the video you're looking for, and tap on it to watch it again. Now you know how to check your TikTok watch history anytime. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.